Woke up in the rusted frame of a burned out old DeVille. Your legs are shot and they're flush with pain, but you can't keep them still. The sun sets and you're afraid of that itching in your skin. You stumble down the boulevard of neon encrusted temples. You're looking for the grace of God in the arms of a fellow stranger. Disciples hand you catalogs of concubines as you stumble down the boulevard crying, welcome to fabulous. Welcome to fabulous. Las Vegas. Give us your dreamers, your harlots and your sin. Las Vegas. Didn't nobody tell you the house will always win? Cameras on the ceiling tile, no place for you to hide. It's 107 and you're looking for shade that no palm tree can provide. But there's a little girl you remember back in Tennessee. You have this recurring dream where you see her playing hide and seek with a woman who used to know you very well. Sunsets in neon lights, call girls in neon lights, blackjack and lady luck, cocaine and lady luck. You call upon her on holy knees tonight in Las Vegas. Give us your dreamers, your harlots and your sin. Las Vegas. Didn't nobody tell you? Didn't nobody tell you? Didn't nobody tell you? The house will always win. Look back in silence, the cradle of your whole life, there in the distance, losing its greatest prize. Nothing is easy, nothing is sacred. Why? Where did the bow break? sun will shine again. Are you looking for the sign? Or are you caught up in the light? You let me into your life on a whim, and there was magic and fire in the night. In loving, I was just a little boy. I made mistakes that caused you so much pain. All I know is that I'm older now. Some people think that it's best to refrain from the conventions of old-fashioned love. Their hearts are filled with holes and emptiness. They tell themselves that they're too young to settle down. Well, I promise that I'm older now. And this has been hard enough on you. I know it's been hard enough on me. Been telling myself that I can't roll with the changes. You see, while this has been hard enough on you, it's been hard enough on me. I wasn't looking when we built these walls. Let me spread my dreams at your feet. Let's not let time's bitter flood rise before my thoughts begin to run. I think I'm getting older now. And this has been hard enough on you. I know it's been hard enough on me. Been telling myself that I can't roll with the changes. And when the water gets high above your head, darling, don't you see? Well, this has been hard enough on you. It's been hard enough on me. Can't stand the thought of another talking to you sweet, my dear. Where would I be tonight if you hadn't held me here in your arms? Is there anyone out there, or somewhere I can belong? Man, the city just ain't so kind tonight. And if I had my suspicions, I kept them out of my heart. I just wish I would have known right from the start that you'd be speaking in riddles and you'd never confide. You know I knew we were in trouble, but honey, I almost cried when I saw you dancing on the moon now. I watched him spin you round and round. Why did you roll your dice, show your cards, jilted lovers and broken hearts? You're out on the wind, I'm still waiting to be found. You did a fine job of hiding that crooked ace up your sleeve. You doubled down my direction, you kissed me on the cheek and leave. I followed you through the darkness, I followed you through the cold. Woman, I can tell you one thing, you're gonna wish you could go back and fold. Why did you roll your dice, show your cards, jilted lovers and broken hearts? You're flying away while I'm stuck here on the ground. Why did you roll your dice, show your cards, jilted lovers and broken hearts? You're out on the wind, I'm still waiting to be found. Yeah, will I ever win? Only time will tell. You gotta suffer to remember how well. If our ideals never really marched in time, that's the bottom line. Jilted lovers and broken hearts. Daddy, I'm not gonna tell you that I'm sorry, 'cause there ain't nothing you can do to change my mind. I'm not here to know the things I cannot do, and we've seen the outcome of the boys who didn't fly. That road outside that you've been taking home forever, well, that'll be the same road I take when I depart. Those charcoal veins hold this chosen land together. They twist and turn, but somewhere there is a heart. Channel of invention. I will not blush if others see it as a crime. However dangerous the road, however distant, these things won't compromise the will of the design. 10,000 demons down, down every footstep, 10,000 angels push the wind against my back. Church of mine may not be recognized by steeple, but that doesn't mean that I will walk with a rolling river of truth. Can you spare me a sip? The holy fountain of youth has been reduced to a drip, but I've got this burning affection and love is no need. When push comes to shove, I will till this ground. You're not gonna hurt somebody tonight out on the wild. And I might not get there, but this little town, this little house, they seem to be in the wrong direction. I'm not afraid of you no more.
shut. I had my vows in my pocket and a gold-plated ring for my honey love. We headed down Tropicana to the corner with a late-night restaurant. We sat across from each other. When I looked in her eyes, there was something gone. Was it something that